In a softly lit nursery, Maya twitches her nose, and an adorable itch sparks a curious sparkle in her eyes. She pokes her nose with a tiny finger, then lets out a joyful sneeze that makes her giggle and wobble but lands safely on a cushioned rug. Dressed in a pastel onesie with a playful label inspired by the idiom "turn the tables," she smoothly pivots her stumble into a cheerful game. She follows a squeaky butterfly through a gentle maze of cushions, every moment punctuated by curious gasps and delighted squeals. By the end, Maya learns that even a sneeze can rewrite the moment into warmth, wonder, and a snug cuddle.